Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off the smart reply features in your Gmail account. So basically, with the smart reply, you can now easily reply to all the emails effortlessly. This feature recommends 3 suitable replies according to the context of the message. You can choose any one of the suggestions as your reply and then send it. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account and then click mo lang itong Gmail. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select mo lang yung settings. And then next, makita mo dito yung quick settings and then select mo lang itong see all settings. And then dito sa see all settings, scroll down at hanapin natin yung smart reply. Ito siya. Right, so show suggested replies when available. Smart reply, kung paano ba natin ito i-turn on or off. So, select ka lang dito sa option niya. Okay, so click mo lang itong smart reply on. And then automatic mga kaibigan na your preferences has been saved. So, okay na po siya, na-save na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta dito sa baba para sa i-save. Okay, so automatic na po siya mga kaibigan once nag-select ka dito sa dalawang option na to. So, kung gusto mo naman itong smart reply off, click mo lang ito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable ang smart reply in Gmail. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.